श्री महागणपते नमः, श्री सरस्वती नमः, श्रीपादवल्लभ नरसिंह सरस्वती, श्री गुरु दत्तात्रेयाय नमः. ಕನ್ನಡ వాళ్ళు ಯಾರು ಅಂತ ಕೈಲಿ ಎತ್ತಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಯಾರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ ಕನ್ನಡದವರು? ಕನ್ನಡ ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್ಸ್, ನಾಟ್ ಕೆನಡಾ ಪೀಪಲ್, ಕನ್ನಡ. ಓಕೆ. ತೆಲುಗು? ಓಹೋ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ತಮಿಳ್? ಓಕೆ. ಹಿಂದಿ? Silent language? Okay. I like silent language. Not dumb and deaf language. Silent language different. There's two versions. One is angel version. One is dumb deaf language. Okay. Angel version is silent language. It's like a mudras. I think you have any experience in the Kerala, Kathakali, then you understand about mudra. There are communications only mudras. Ramayana, Mahabharata, especially Bhagavatam. They are dancing Bhagavatam, different ballet systems. And not only mudras, and the eyebrow, cheeks, and head, all the arms. Different languages they are giving, not only mudra. Mainly mudra, but it's the body language. That's the Kathakali. I think you have a Kuchipudi also. The Kuchipudi is a different language. Bharatanatyam also is a different language. Odisha is a different language. So anyway, this communication to the Lord, like a wireless. We need such a communications. It's like a prayers. Some people talking about their own mind. And some people sit with any object, some photography and some light or some sounds, like a bhajans, like a only tune, Suti Pettiki, the Suti box, like Om. Then some people silence, without objects, without picture, without sound. They are communicate for Lord and Sadguru. This is very rare, the system of a communication. Each person, the human person, each Atman, definitely communicate with invisible God. So many people is feeling in the foolish, their own buddhi, their own mind. Oh, I am alone. Who told you are alone? You are not alone. In all your body is complete, your sense organs, complete your Atman. It's like a Paramatma. Your Atma is like Paramatma. Your Buddhi like a Paramatma. Your sense organs like a Paramatma. Don't feel and don't talk of rubbish about God, about Guru. It's not good. And often, more and more often, you are going to sin. You are collecting for your bad remarks about God. So, if you have any problem of any, like a questions, be silent. You can ask the same question for your Atman. Your Atman is your Guru. Not necessarily physical Guru, we don't want. But sometimes we need a physical Guru. After physical guru, then Sadguru, because if you go to Tirupati or any temples, there is a beautiful temple. The shrine is also beautiful. Idol, the Murti, and decorations also very beautiful. Temple also very beautiful. But you are traveling 3 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours to temple to pilgrimage. And if you go to Tirupati, there is one day also you are standing with queue. In the Ugadi day, in Swamiji's Ugadi day in Hyderabad, and Vijayawada, January 1st, the people standing 6 hours, 7 hours. You believe or not believe. Only darshan. Datta Paduka darshan with Swamiji. They are not talking anything. They are giving only presentations. The touching Paduka, the line is going. There are 6 hours, 7 hours. Maybe some people is standing 12 hours also. There was 2 lines in there. If you standing in line, no meals, no water, and nowadays we are, the committee people is supplying some water, some little bit, some food, some fruits. Some people doesn't take, because they took fast vratam. After Swamiji darshan, we take any food or any water. Now their lines, they're coming. They don't ask anything. They are looking only Swamiji face. And something they got, some message to Swamiji with devotion. After that, only one couple of seconds, they're closing their own eyes. They're taking photography with Swamiji's face and Swamiji's. And something Swamiji says, they will record it in their own buddhi, their own tape recorder. The God gave us good tape recorder and good vision and good TV, walking TV, talking TV, audio and video system is very beautiful in the mind. Audio, video. Not necessary for physical audio, video. Yourself is audio, video. As a good system, the God given to good presentation for in our system. Our creation, God creation for human body. That's why human body, Manava, up to after Manava, then you are going to the angels, Devata. So your Manava Guna means human qualities. You develop for human qualities. It looks like a human, but in your qualities like an animal. Some animals. Some people get upset. Their own declaration, their own mouth, they says, I get upset, I am not a human being. So you are animal, you are lion, elephant, such.